Hello my dear children, how are you? Hope you all are enjoying our videos. Children, on behalf of Jetkin International School, I welcome you all in the virtual class. Today we are going to study chapter 6. Yes, the name of the chapter 6 is Natural Resources. And in that we are going to study about types of natural resources. So children, let's get ready. Types of natural resources. See children, if you are having your book, just open your book, page number 60. Okay, types of natural resources. See children, we get constant supply of sunlight, air and water every day. Do you think we will always get a constant supply of gold and silver too? Discuss and give a reason for your answer. Yes children, in this before this video, before what we studied, yes, we studied about the natural resources. Yes, so we get constant supply of sunlight, air and water because they all are the natural resources. Do you think that we will also get gold and silver constant supply of? No, because they are not natural resources. Okay children, so discuss and give a reason for your answer because they are not natural resources. They are man-made resources. Okay children, so that's why there is not a constant supply of gold and silver, etc. also. So children, based on the availability, natural resources are classified into renewable and non-renewable sources. See, one more time I want to tell you that these natural resources, they are classified into two resources. What are they? Listen carefully. Renewable and non-renewable resources. Now what do you mean by renewable and non-renewable resources? So first we are going to study about the renewable resources. They are also called inexhaustible. See, from the name only you will understand. Inexhaustible. Okay, so let's study about renewable or inexhaustible resources. See children, sunlight, water, air, soil, plants, forest and animals. They are a few examples of renewable resources. Now, if you will see sunlight, water, air, soil, plants, forests and animals, why they are the example of renewable resources, children? Let us learn about it. The sun is a constant source of light and heat for the earth. The energy produced by sun is known as solar energy. So, the energy which is produced by the sun, it is known as solar energy. See children, in the picture you can see the solar cooker. It is used by plants for photosynthesis. It is also used for powering appliances such as solar cookers, solar heaters, solar calculators and solar street lights. Yes children. So this is the solar cooker. They all are the renewable resources children. See, water is constantly renewed through a natural process called the water cycle. Moving water was earlier used for running machines like water mills. Okay children, see, if you will see water mill, earlier we were using water mills and sawmills to running machines. One of the most interesting ways to use water is by storing it in reservoirs behind dams. Nowadays we are having dams, we are having reservoirs, so we are storing water. Why we build dams? Okay, like we studied about Bhakra Nangal Dam. So why we build dams? To reserve, to store water children. When this water is released from a dam, a lot of energy is released. So this energy where we use? Yes, we use for running special machine called turbines which generate electricity. So we are getting electricity. So children, do you know how we are getting electricity? Yes, water is a very important resource children. From this only we get electricity. Another important renewable resources is air children. Moving air is called wind. The energy produced by wind is also known as wind energy. This energy is used for producing electricity with the help of windmills. See the picture. Also when you are moving to from Pusat to Merkhed, you can see in middle that we are having this type of windmill. So they produce wind energy, children. Okay, children, so they all are the renewable sources. Now let's study about the non-renewable or exhaustible resources. See, children, some natural resources cannot be renewed once they are used. Okay, so which we can use it again and again, that is renewable sources, inexhaustible we can say. But some resources, natural resources, we cannot renew once they are used. When we are using once, we cannot use it. While others take millions of years to get renewed through natural process. These resources are known as non-renewable or exhaustible resources. See, children, minerals and non-renewable or exhaustible natural resources, they are found in rocks on the surface of the earth, deep inside the earth or under the sea. Okay, so it takes a lot of time them to renewed. It takes million of years to them to renew. So that's why they are known as non-renewable sources. Okay, children, for example, if you will see coal mine, most of the minerals are obtained by digging deep into the earth. आपको मालूम है minerals क्या होते हैं? Yes, like coal, हमने पढ़ा है coal, gold, silver, which we are using, iron, गोल्ड, सिल्वर, आयरन, कॉपर, ये कहाँ से मिलते हैं? ये हमें ये डीप इनसाइड द अर्थ मिलते हैं. ओके, द एक्टिविटी ऑफ डिगिंग फॉर मिनरल इज कॉल्ड माइनिंग. माइनिंग यानी क्या? जब हम डिग करते हैं मिनरल्स को. ओके, तो हमें क्या मिलता है? डिगिंग फॉर मिनरल्स. जब हम डिगिंग करते हैं, आपको मालूम है डिगिंग करना है खोदना, जब हम खुदाई करते हैं, सो व्हाट वी गेट मिनरल्स, and this process is called digging process is called mining. So children, mines are deep holes that are dug to remove वैल्यूएबल मिनरल्स फ्रॉम अंडर द अर्थ. क्यों हम डिग करते हैं अर्थ को? ताकि इसके अंदर से हमें मिनरल्स मिल सके. कौन कौन से मिनरल्स हमें मिलते हैं? गोल्ड, सिल्वर, आयरन, कॉपर, एल्यूमिनियम, coal and petroleum. They are the example of minerals found under the surface of the earth. So children, इसे बनने में millions of years लग जाते हैं. ये इतने easily नहीं बनते, इसको हम बार बार यूज़ नहीं कर सकते. Okay, so that's why they are known as non-renewable resources. Understood children? That's why they are known as exhaustible resources. Okay, so if you will see, let us learn more about the use of these minerals. इस मिनरल का हम कहाँ यूज़ करते हैं? जैसे कि फ्यूल्स लाइक पेट्रोलियम एंड कोल आर फॉर्म ओवर मिलियंस ऑफ ईयर थ्रू नेचुरल प्रोसेस. ये जो पेट्रोलियम है, आपको मालूम है समुद्र के अंदर से हमें पेट्रोलियम मिलता है. ये जैसे बॉम्बे में बॉम्बे हाई है. ओके, अगेन आसाम में भी पेट्रोलियम हमें मिलता है. ओके, सो फ्यूल्स लाइक पेट्रोलियम एंड कोल, दे आर फॉर्म्ड ओवर मिलियंस ऑफ ईयर. ये हमें मिलियंस ऑफ ईयर्स से मिलते हैं, इसलिए इसका यूज़ हमें बहुत ध्यान से करना होता है. इसलिए ये बहुत महंगे होते हैं. पता चला अभी आपको क्यों ये बहुत महंगे होते हैं? देखो, पानी, वाटर, ये हम आसानी से खरीद सकते हैं, बट आपको मालूम है बिकॉज दे आर नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज. ओके, दे आर इजीली अवेलेबल. बट अगर हमने उसका यूज़ अच्छे से नहीं किया तो थोड़े दिन के बाद वो भी हमें पैसे से खरीदना पड़ेगा, जो कि अभी हम खरीद रहे हैं. येस, पर इतने पैसे हो जाएंगे कि हम खरीद भी नहीं पाएंगे. सो दैट्स वाई वी हैव टू यूज़ आवर नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज वेरी कॉशियसली चिल्ड्रेन. बट अगर आप ये मिनरल्स देखोगे तो ये इतने ईजिली नहीं मिलते हैं, इसीलिए ये बहुत महंगे होते हैं. जैसे कि पेट्रोलियम है, कोल है. येस, दे आर यूज इन लार्ज क्वांटिटीज फॉर वेरियस पर्पस चिल्ड्रन. कोल इज यूज फॉर जनरेटिंग इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. कोल जो कोयला होता है उसका यूज़ हम क्या करते हैं? इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जनरेट करने के लिए करते हैं. प्रोड्यूसिंग हीट, रनिंग स्टीम इंजन्स एंड इवन कुकिंग फूड, खाना पकाने के लिए भी किया जाता है. सो पेट्रोल इज ऑब्टेन आफ्टर रिफाइनिंग पेट्रोलियम एंड यूज एज अ फ्यूल इन व्हीकल. व्हीकल में हम पेट्रोल डालते हैं ना, तो ये कहाँ से मिलता है? ये हमें सी से मिलता है. सो ये इतना इजी प्रोसेस नहीं है. डीजल इज ऑल्सो ऑब्टेन बाय रिफाइनिंग पेट्रोलियम. सो दे आर लिमिटेड रिजर्व्स ऑफ पेट्रोलियम इन द वर्ल्ड. ये बहुत लिमिटेड हैं, इसलिए ये बहुत महंगे होते हैं. तो इसका यूज़ हमें बहुत कॉशियसली करना चाहिए चिल्ड्रेन. गोल्ड एंड सिल्वर, क्यों गोल्ड इतना महंगा है ना? अभी अगर आप देखोगे तो गोल्ड बहुत महंगा हो गया है. क्यों? ये क्योंकि ये बहुत वैल्यूएबल मिनरल्स है चिल्ड्रेन. दे आर यूज फॉर मेकिंग ज्वेलरी. जो हम ज्वेलरी पहनते हैं इसमें गोल्ड का यूज़ होता है, सिल्वर का यूज़ होता है. ओके, सिल्वर के हम चांदी के बर्तन भी बनाते हैं. करेक्ट. सो दे और ये हम इसको बार बार हम यूज़ नहीं कर सकते. एक बार हमने इसको यूज़ कर लिया तो इसको हम बार बार यूज़ नहीं कर सकते. So that's why we can say that they are non-renewable resources. So understood children what I taught you today? Renewable and non-renewable resources. Thank you and have a nice